Hello and welcome to this lesson on generating barcodes. In this lesson we are going to use Inkscape, a free and open source editor for creating barcodes. A barcode is a format for representing information in a machine readable format. Usually a scanner or another device is used for scanning the barcode and extracting the information from the barcode. Barcodes are used in stores and marketplaces where there are thousands of products and a system is needed for differentiating those products. In order to create a barcode in Inkscape, go to Extensions, go to Render, go to Barcode and choose Classic. First we should select a barcode type. Usually when you register your product with a concerned authority, they will give you a product number and the format for the barcode. For example, if you have written a book and you have registered it with the ISBN authority, you will be given a 13-digit reference number. The ISBN number is an EAN13 extension, so you should choose EAN13 and you should enter the 13-digit number. Usually the 13th digit is a checksum digit, so you will have to provide the first 12 digits. Click Apply and the barcode will be generated. Click Close. The barcode is too small to see, so in order to increase the size of the barcode, we have to press Ctrl and then drag one of the sides. If you want to export the barcode as an image, go to File, choose Export PNG Image. In this dialog box, you can change the width and height of the barcode and you can provide a file name and click on Export to obtain an image. Usually you have to contact an authority for getting the barcode type and barcode data. But if you are having your own store and you want to sell your products in your own store and you want to track your products using barcodes, you can choose any one of those types. For example, if you choose code 128, code 128 supports both numbers and alphabets. After entering our own barcode data, we can click on Apply, click Close. Similar to the previous case, the barcode is still small. You have to select the barcode, press Ctrl and then expand one of the sides. You can use this barcode in your store. That's all for this tutorial. If you want to see more lessons like this, consider subscribing to our channel. If you like this video, show some support by hitting the like button. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below.